As you can see, the bird is eating.
That's Portia. Hey, Portia.
Her name is Portia.
And Genai's going to be the reason she flies away.
You told me the video camera.
See, watch.
Stop it, okay? You told me the video camera.
Bye, Portia. Nice seeing you.
Exactly, you're going to be the reason because you're talking so loud. She's eating.
She likes to come when no other bird is around and eats.
She likes to come when all the other birds aren't around, and she likes to eat the bird seed. Her name is Portia. You have to talk in a sweet voice to her. Hi, Portia.
I'm looking for that little wobbler that comes every morning and wakes up all the other birds. Look at him, see? Look at him. Can you videotape that? They come and drink the hummingbird's food.
A bunch of different birds come, but this one is special because she doesn't care if there's people around. Well, she does care, but she doesn't care about if we're around because because we're gentle with her, we know her, we give her bird seed, we help her, we provide for her. The bird is not scared at all, but you have to talk with her a sweet, low, gentle voice, you know? And we actually can see her closer. She's coming closer and closer.
What?
We're getting a good view of her. And I'm sorry if you can't hear me, but I have to be gentle. I can't scoop like that.
Drink some water, Portia.
As you can see, Portia
Drink some water, Portia.
Portia is now thirsty. So she's going to make her way to the water, which is very in her reach. The water is in the shade, so you can probably see it in a green little plate with leaves over it. Portia was hungry today, but the other birds won't let her eat. So Portia comes when all the birds aren't here and just eats away.
See that one?
See this one up there? They all are scary except for Portia. Portia is a very genuine bird, and she's a girl.
Most bees are girls.
What? What?
The fact that you said she knows that's female, a girl. Hello.
You can tell that Portia is a girl because...
Drink water, look, she's thirsty. Wow, is she thirsty? Look.
Wow. Wow, is she thirsty.
Oh, baby. I might take a bath in it.
Now she might take a bath.
She may always run her away.
And as you can see, they always run her away.